Alright guys, so after looking at this for a while, I really don't like it. So, the cool part is, as easy as it went on, it's about how easy it comes off. So for those of you who said you didn't like it, I didn't like it either. I thought I was going to like it. I'd seen another C8 Corvette with it, but they were painted, and I thought it actually looked really cool, but I don't like it. So it's coming off, and luckily, this is not a permanent mod. Ta-da! Back to its original badassery.